city suburban sounds, gently flowing rivers of conversation ripple past the bookshop on Islington Green, guttering candles waiting for the wind. Unsustained snatches merge with familiar hum of black cabs, throbbing turbines, screech of double-deckers zooming round the island, and the occasional revving 750cc cackling away like a Rhode Island Red. It could be New York, but for the predominant English accents rolling down upper streets, combined with short intervals of delicious silence that punctuate the striations of mid-evening air. The major decision is where one is going to eat in this area where everyone is spoilt for choice.